you can kindly turn on your mic. Can I ask Miss Violeta? Ayan. Hi, Ma'am Violeta.
Hindi pa ako naka-try.
Ayan, good afternoon po. May I ask, have you ever tried to lose weight before or may kakilala kayo na nag-try magbawas ng timbang? At kung ano po kaya yung mga usual na ginawa niya para makapagbawas ng timbang?
Eh, bago lang ako naka-lose weight yung sa NutriFit.
Mm, wow.
Ever
Other
since,
than other than that po, ano pa po kaya yung mga ginawa nyo?
para mag-lose weight, wala na. Yun lang.
Yun lang po. Okay, thank
Oh,
you so much, Ma'am Violeta. So aside from that, can we ask another person or participant? Can I ask Sir David John Digdigan? Hi, Sir David. Ayan. Hello, Sir David. I
Hello
think
po.
na-cut off. Yes, hello. Ayan, naririnig po namin kayo. Ayan, ask ko
Yes,
lang,
ma'am.
sir. Ask ko lang po, sir. Na-try niyo na po bang magbawas ng timbang dati or baka may kakilala kayong nagsubok? At kung ano kaya yung mga usual na practices na ginawa nila para makapagbawas ng timbang?
Wala po, ma'am eh. Kaya, kahit nga ako ay nahihirapan pag-diet.
Ayan. Actually, totoo yun,
So,
sir. Kahit ako, personally, I tried to lose weight din before and even yung mga kakilala ko nagsusubok din. Pero sa totoo lang, mahirap kasi maging consistent at saka mahirap din lalo na kapag yung schedule mo medyo ipit, di ba? So
yes
thank you for that, Sir David and Ma'am Violeta. So with that, usually ang ginagawa nating practices is of course diet. Yung iba nag-gym, nag-exercise, or nag-iinom ng maraming tubig. But we can definitely say that you are not alone yung sa mga struggles na nabanggit natin. Honestly, ako din, nagsubok din, pero nakaka-frustrate because it is very hard to be consistent, especially with stress, yung pagod from work or from life in general. So, as for diets naman, it can be very difficult to commit sa healthy diet, di ba? Especially with all the tempting foods, yung mga milk tea, chicken joy, and even yung samgyupsal. May mga mahilig po ba dito mag-samgyupsal? I think marami sa ating mga Pinoy, di ba? So of course, we all know that diet and exercise are the main foundation of any weight loss journey. But let's be real, hindi siya madaling panindigan, especially when life gets in the way. That's why many people need something that can bridge the gap para of course pasupport yung effort na binibigay na nila. So that is exactly what Vertex Pro Getaways is designed to do. So it is not here to replace yung healthy lifestyle natin, but it makes it easier para sundan or makapagbawas nga tayo kasama ng ating exercise and of course healthy diet. So Vertex Pro Getaways is actually a daily capsule that is designed to support healthy weight loss. So ang ginagawa niya, it blocks yung carbs, iniiwasan niya yung cravings natin, nakakatulong siya sa pag-digest, and of course, sinusupport niya yung metabolism natin. And as a bonus, meron din siyang ingredients para makatulong sa atin na makatulog ng maayos. So with that, as you can see in our screen, we have 8 hero ingredients or yung tinatawag nating main ingredients ng ating Vertex Pro Getaways. So, kung okay lang sa ating participants, I will be going through each and every one of these ingredients briefly para lang malaman nyo kung paano sila gumagana at paano sila nakakatulong para of course ma-reach natin yung benefit na sinasabi natin ni Vertex Pro Getaways. So, okay lang po ba yun? Kindly send some heart reactions so that we can proceed with our ingredients. Ayan. So, okay. So, starting off with our first main ingredient, which is white kidney bean extract. So, for white kidney bean extract, its main benefits is that it helps reduce yung sugar absorption. So, i-mention ko lang sa atin dito ang sinasabi nating physiolamin. So, when we say physiolamin, ito yung nagsistop sa ating enzyme sa katawan na nagtuturn sa ating starch, yung nakukuha natin. Pag sinabi natin starch, ito yung mga nakukuha natin sa mga tinapay, sa mga kanin. Siyempre, tayong mga Pinoy, mahilig tayo sa rice, di ba? So, very common ito sa atin. So, pag sinabi natin starch, usually, i-breakdown ito sa mas maliliit pang piraso para ma-absorb ng katawan natin. So, ang ginagawa ni physiolamin, pinipigilan niya para ma-breakdown itong mga starch molecules into smaller pieces. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya ma-absorb ng katawan natin. So, since hindi ma-absorb si starch ng katawan natin, hindi masyadong mag increase yung sugar sa ating blood sugar. And with that, it can also help with the weight loss. So again, for white kidney bean extract, it helps reduce yung sugar absorption with the help of physiolamin. Okay, so I know it might be a bit technical for some parts of our ingredient, but hopefully I can break it down into more simpler and relatable terms, of course, para sa ating participants today. So, again, for any clarifications later, kindly collate it and we will be going through the question and answer portion. So, another with that, of course, with the help of physiolamin, with the white kidney bean extract, matutulungan niya makontrol yung blood glucose or blood sugar level natin. Another with white kidney bean extract is that nakakatulong siya sa bowel movements or yung mga digestion natin sa ating katawan. So, may I ask our crowd, before ba, alam niyo ba kung sino si white kidney bean extract or familiar ba kayo dito? Can I ask some, thumbs up if familiar kayo dito? So ayan, I don't think madaming nakakaalam kay white kidney bean extract. That is why I'm introducing white kidney bean extract na isang kilalang ingredient talaga sa ibang bansa na nakakatulong in the weight loss journey and also in the controlling of the blood sugar levels. So actually, when we say white kidney bean extract, kaya siya naging white kidney bean because dahil sa appearance niya, baka kasi isipin ng iba, white kidney bean extract, nakakatulong sa kidneys natin. Hindi po. It is actually for weight loss and for sugar control. Ayan. So, white kidney bean extract. Next, we also have Garcinia cambogia. Or actually, I just want to show a slide here na nagpapakita or studies na pinapakita na ang white kidney bean extract ay nakakatulong talaga sa pag lose ng weight. So here is just some systematic review that we found that can help support our claim. Next is we have Garcinia cambogia extract. So when we say Garcinia cambogia extract, this actually contains a specific molecule. For example, this is called HCA or yung hydrocitric acid natin. So si hydrocitric acid natin or si HCA, ang ginagawa niya ay tinutulungan niya para mapaonte yung hormones natin or yung parang molecules natin na nagsisignal ng kapag gutom na tayo. So may tinatawag tayong NPY or neuropeptide. So ito yung sinasabi natin, kapag mataas ang neuropeptide Y natin sa ating hypothalamus, madami siyang nasisignal sa ating katawan na parang hunger or gutom na tayo. So with the help of HCA, napapatulong niya mapababa ang NPY natin para masusuppress or mababawasan yung gutom natin or yung parang nagsisignal sa atin na gutom ka na. Ayun yung ginagawa niya. Other than that, with the help of Garcinia cambogia, it helps, other than suppressing the appetite, of course, nakakatulong din siya sa pagbawas ng mga fats natin. So actually, meron siyang molecule na tinatawag natin na ATP citrate lyase. So here is the diagram that we have. So as much as possible, I will try to break this down para mas alam natin kung paano natin or mas maintindihan natin kung paano nga ba gumagana si Garcinia cambogia extra. So for this one, Meron tayong nakikita dito sa ating screen. So, as you can see, si GCE, ito yung sinasabi nating Yersinia cambogia extract. Pag sinabi naman nating ACL, ito ang tinatawag nating ATP citrate lyase. So, shortcut na lang natin para mas madaling maintindihan. Si ACL at saka si GCE. So, actually, ang glucose o ang tinatawag nating sugar, kapag pumapasok sa katawan natin, pwede din siyang maging fats or ma-produce into fats. So with the help of GCE, so si sugar, just to elaborate or na more simpler terms, si ACL, tumutulong siya para si sugar ay maging fat. Again, si ACL, tinutulungan niya si sugar, si glucose, para maging fat. Sa tulong naman ni GCE, si Garcinia Cambogia extract, napipigilan niya yon. Pinipigilan niya si ACL para walang magagawang fat or walang masisynthesize na lipids. So ayun lang po ang sinasabi natin kay GCE or kay Garcinia Cambogia extract. So again, kaya siya nakakatulong sa pag-reduce ng fats sa ating katawan. So actually, yung fats na sinasabi natin dito ay yung mga stored fat. So pag sinabi natin stored fat, at yung mga belly, sa ating mga tiyan, sa mga hita, galing usually ito dun sa sinasabi nating carbs. So di ba pag sabi nating carbs, ito yung mga pasta, mga white rice, again, na very common sa ating mga Pinoy. So ayan, again with Garcinia cambogia extract, other than suppressing the appetite, it can also help reduce yung fats natin, especially yung mga belly fat, hips, mga thigh, hita. So ayun lang naman siya. That is for Garcinia cambogia extract. So ayan, hopefully catch up tayong lahat. So again, if you have any questions, later natin siya i-discuss. So next would be for our fiber sol 2. So this is our third ingredient. So this is the corn source soluble fiber. So for fiber sol 2, actually, it helps us feel full longer. Parang mas matagal mo feel na busog ka. Other than helping us feel na full better na busog pa ako, it can actually help us promote yung gut hormone production. So basically, tinutulungan tayo ng fiber salt 2 para ma-improve yung gut health natin. So actually, fiber salt 2 ay parang